Hi guys, we're at Antrim station. I've crossing kind of I was 2-8. Wow, this is quite late. Time now is 08:14 on Thursday the 10th of June. Thursday the 10th of June 2021. This will be for your 08:14 expected 18 Northern Ireland Railway service from Berlin down to Tour Street. I don't know why, but this service always seems to be late somehow. It's usually 08:15 it comes by. Today, it's even later. It's 08:18. Yeah, it would have. I would have finished the video by now. Well, yeah, basically, if it wasn't late. So let's see. Let's hope this doesn't happen again, eh? Right. Thanks. There it is. 4,000 class. Don't tell me it's someone I seen at Dunbar. Oh, there's two of them this time. Don't tell me 4014's in the rear. Right, so we have 4015 and well, wouldn't you know? There's probably no point in me saying this. (4015) and yeah, 4014 to Great Victoria Street and up they go. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.